Hello everyone, my name is Madhav. Welcome to Gyanshala Masti. So today we will be talking about that where pizza was invented and when was it invented and like how was it invented. So let us talk about it. So pizza, which we know now, was invented in Naples, Italy. So this pizza we know of today was invented in Naples, but the origins of pizza come from way back, at least 1,000 years ago. So basically, the Greek, Egyptians, and the Romans uh, took a mud oven and heated it, and then put bread on it, and then put olive oil, broccoli, and some vegetables on it, and they called it focaccia bread. So that was the main origin of pizza. So uh, now we know pizza is expensive and many good people eat it and it tastes very yummy. But in the earlier times, what happened was that pizza was very cheap and it was actually given to the blue collar people so that they can afford it. So it was so cheap that even they could afford it and that's why they ate pizza. But in uh, in 1861, Italy got independence. And when that happened, the Queen of Italy was shifting from one place to another. So on the way, she went to Naples and then she went to one vendor to eat the pizza. So what happened was that that vendor did something extra and put something more on the pizza. As today's pizza contain cheese, spices, and other more things. So those are the same things he added in the Queen's pizza to make it special. And the Queen's name was Margarita. So he named the pizza Margarita Pizza, and it he gave it to the Queen, and the Queen liked it, and she gave that man uh, the founder or the man who founded pizza. So this is the history of pizza. Hope you liked it and please share it and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.